Who is who in the carbon markets? Welcome to our knowledge capsules.
Hi everyone, welcome to our new capsules about who is who in the carbon markets. Have you actually encountered yourselves like trying to understand carbon markets, the different stakeholders, what each one of us do? Sometimes it can be very challenging for different people, organizations, entities. And what we will do in these new knowledge capsules is try to figure out each one of the participants, what they do, how they do it, their responsibilities, and the way they act in different parts of the process in the whole life cycle of a project. For us, it is very important that we all have a clear understanding of the differences between stakeholders in the carbon markets, because then we will be using the same language. Actually, here you can check on a World Bank report that is also organizing all the stakeholders and trying to identify each one of them to explain to the broader audience like what they do. Finally, we have also encountered many questions in interviewing people or people that come to us searching for help. We have found many confusion about, for example, calling a registry what is not a registry, calling a digital MRV what is not a monitoring, reporting, and verification tool, and different acronyms or identifications of specific functions on the carbon markets, and can be challenging. So what we are doing is inviting you to these new capsules where we will explain each one of the stakeholders according specifically to some definitions to the ICVCM. For example, in the ICVCM, if you go on the definitions side of them, they define a crediting program as the one that defines the framework, the protocol, the standard that will guide you through the process of the issuance of carbon unit. If you want to check it out yourself, you can go on this link and find the definition by yourself. For example, for us, for eco-registry is very challenging because a lot of people tend to understand that we are a crediting program, but what we are is a registry system or a registration platform. Is actually the place where all the supporting evidence of the issuance of the carbon units, environmental assets like biodiversity or any other ones, all the supporting evidence is safeguarded on our system so that anybody can review, assess the process, and check all this documentation and information. And also, after the issuance process, what we do is the accounting system for every single unit so that they can be transferred, can be connected to the world, like exchanges. And at the end, you will get a retirement certificate that recognizes this is the end beneficiary. So at the end, you will get a retirement certificate that recognizes the end beneficiary and the purpose of that retirement or of that offsetting. So in these capsules, we invite you to comment a lot, interact with us, because carbon markets are evolving as we speak. We don't know everything. So we want actually, and we are encouraging all of you to email us, chat with us, so that we can actually build this together and try to find a way of understanding what each stakeholder does and how they do it.